Hello and welcome to our video, how to use RAPID SET Fence Postmix supplied by Naylor Fencing when installing fencing posts. To do this, you will require safety gloves, safety goggles and an FFP3 dust mask and safety boots, 1 bucket of water, the required post that needs installing, either concrete, steel or timber, appropriate bags of RAPID SET Fence Postmix. Please note that the amount of postmix required will depend on the size of the hole in the post. For example, 1 bag equals a square post of 10 cm or 4 inches with a hole 20 cm or 8 inches wide and 75 cm or 30 inches deep. Firstly, ensure you've created a hole to the required depth and width for your fence post. Place the post into the hole and fill hole approximately 1/3 of its depth with water. Now add the post mix evenly to the water level, ensuring the water absorbs all the powder, creating a wet mix. Remove any air bubbles by stirring the water and post mix together. Align your post to the correct position using a spirit level. Now leave the post mix for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, depending on weather conditions, to set. Once your post is fixed and set, you can now backfill with soil. For more information on the RAPID SET Fence Post Mix supplied by Naylor or our range of fencing posts and gravel boards, please visit our website www.fencingmaterials.co.uk.